The evolution of financial transparency. The Universal Journal in SAP. Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of enterprise resource planning, ERP, SAP has consistently been at the forefront of innovation. One such groundbreaking feature introduced by SAP is the Universal Journal, a pivotal advancement that redefines the way organizations manage and report financial data. This essay delves into the significance and transformative impact of the Universal Journal in SAP. Universal Journal. The Universal Journal in SAP represents a paradigm shift in the structure of financial accounting. It consolidates various types of accounting records into a single, integrated journal. Unlike traditional ERP systems, where different ledgers were maintained separately, the Universal Journal embraces a unified approach, bringing together diverse financial elements into a cohesive and comprehensive entity. Key components and integration. At the heart of the Universal Journal is the merging of the general ledger, asset accounting, controlling, and other financial components. This integration ensures real-time synchronization of financial data, eliminating data redundancies and providing a holistic view of an organization's financial health. The elimination of redundant data entry not only enhances efficiency but also reduces the likelihood of errors, simplifying complexities. The Universal Journal simplifies the complexities associated with financial reporting. With a single source of truth for all financial data, organizations can streamline their reporting processes. This simplification is not only advantageous for internal reporting but also meets the demands of external stakeholders, including regulatory bodies and auditors, by providing accurate and consistent financial information, real-time insights, and analytics. One of the notable advantages of the Universal Journal is its ability to facilitate real-time insights and analytics. By consolidating financial data in real time, organizations can make data-driven decisions promptly. Advanced analytics and reporting tools can tap into the wealth of integrated financial information, empowering businesses to gain actionable insights into their performance and make informed strategic decisions. Flexibility and adaptability. The Universal Journal is designed with flexibility in mind. Organizations can adapt the structure of the journal to meet their specific business requirements. This adaptability ensures that the Universal Journal can cater to a diverse range of industries and business models, providing a standardized yet customizable solution for financial management. Challenges and considerations. While the Universal Journal offers numerous advantages, its implementation may pose challenges. Organizations need to ensure a smooth transition from legacy systems, considering data migration, training, and change management. Additionally, careful consideration must be given to data security and compliance, given the sensitivity of financial information. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Universal Journal in SAP represents a revolutionary leap forward in the domain of financial accounting within ERP systems. Its ability to integrate diverse financial components, provide real-time insights, and simplify reporting processes positions it as a cornerstone in SAP's commitment to delivering cutting-edge solutions for businesses. As organizations embrace the Universal Journal, they embark on a journey towards enhanced financial transparency, agility, and a more robust foundation for strategic decision-making in the digital era.